Good morning, Namaste, Pranam to all brothers and sisters. I am Dr. Divagaran Cochin. My subject is medical science and astrology. Today I am going to speak. Are you lucky or unlucky? In modern days, everyone wants to become rich quickly by some means or other, unless planetary position in their horoscope indicates financial prosperity. Their efforts to become rich may become fruitless or fruitful. For financial prospects, the second house and its Karaga Jupiter and the Lord of the second, ninth, and 11th houses should be well placed in a person's horoscope. Second house indicates wealth. Ninth house, the Bhagya, Dharma, Punya, Tapas. The ninth lord is favorable. The second lord is in the ninth house. He may get good luck and he can get all the comforts in life. But also we have to consider the fourth house also. Fourth will be Mada, Sugar, Madura Kaginiyo, Kshetram, Sugam, Vahanamasanja, Lalityamambaha, Sharanjurti. The fourth house and the ruler of the fourth, and Jupiter is in good place. The 11th house will be powerful. The second, ninth, 11th visits the 10th house must be strong for one earn wealth and become rich. There is an off-quoted slogan. Then there is if the Dasha and Bhukti also will be considered. The Dasha of I know one person who got 20 lakh rupees when he retired from the bank. Then he invested in popular investors. They are offering 15% interest per annum. And he invested in 2010. And every year he is getting the interest. So every third month he goes to Popular Finance and collecting the interest. But in 2020 he lost his 20 lakh rupees. Because of that period is the sixth lord, Dasha of sixth lord, and the Jupiter is retrograde and the second lord also retrograde. So he lost a heavy amount. Whatever his earnings in the VRS, while taking VRS, he got 20 lakh rupees. The 20 lakh rupees gone. Only he got 5 years at the rate of interest, the high rate of interest. So we have to consider the Dasha and Bhukti also will be very important. Ninth lord from Meena is Mars, whose rays are 6. 9, 6 from moon in the Midun Rashi. The rays of the planets also will be considered. The sun 30 rays, Mars 6 rays, Jupiter 10 rays, moon 16 rays, Mercury 8 rays, Venus 12 rays, Saturn 1 ray. For example, if a person born in Meen Lagna having the moon in Midun or Gemini, let us see what is his Hindu Lagna. The Hindu Lagna is the Midun Rashi. He born in the Adira Nakshatra. The ninth lord from the Meen Lagna is Mars, whose rays are 6. The ninth lord from the moon in Midun or Gemini is Saturn, whose rays is 1. The adding 1 and 2, we get 7. As this is not divisible by 12, it is enough. We take the 7th sign from the Chandra Lagna, which is Dhanus or Sagittarius. So Dhanus is Hindu Lagna In similar ways, when Lagna and the moon sign Rashi are also Hindu Lagna can also easily be found out. Let us take one more example. A person who born in the Dhanush Lagna, Sagittarius Lagna, having the moon in the Kanya Rashi or Virgo, let us arrive his Hindu Lagna as follows. The ninth Lord from Lagna Sagittarius is Sun, whose rays are 30. The ninth Lord from Moon in Virgo, namely Shukra, whose rays are 12. Adding 1 and 2, we get 42, which if divided by 12 will remainder of 6. Count 6 sign from the moon in Virgo, which is Kumbha or Aquarius. So the Aquarius is his Hindu Lagna. So the luck is very important. The Lord of the luck, that is the ninth Lord who is in the sixth house. According to Gojara also we have to consider the position of the planets. According to Gojara, the second house who is in the sixth house or eighth house or 12th house, he lost his wealth. Second Lord during the Gojara, the second Lord is in the 12th house. He may face unexpected and unavoided expenses. So, and whatever his earnings will go away. So, we have to invest or anything. Our luck is very important. Luck, the person may get luck, everything will come. According to Kundi Mahadevi says that Bhagya Prasuda Jayade, the man who is born in with luck, ഭാഗ്യവാന്റെ അടുത്ത് ധനവൃദ്ധനും ജ്ഞാനവൃദ്ധനും തപോവൃദ്ധനും വരും. ഭാഗ്യഹീനന്റെ അടുത്ത് ധനവൃദ്ധനും ജ്ഞാനവൃദ്ധനും തപോവൃദ്ധനും ഒക്കെ പോകും. അയാൾ എന്തെല്ലാം ഉണ്ടാക്കിയോ അതെല്ലാം അയാളിൽ നിന്ന് നഷ്ടപ്പെട്ടു പോകുന്ന ഒരവസ്ഥയും ഭാഗ്യഹീനത അനുഭവപ്പെടുമ്പോൾ ഉണ്ടാകും. ഭാഗ്യം ഉണ്ടാകുന്നതായ സമയത്ത് അയാൾ ഒന്നുമില്ലാത്തതായ ഒരാൾക്ക് അയാൾക്ക് പെട്ടെന്ന് ലോട്ടറി അടിക്കാനൊക്കെ ഇടവരും. ഉദാഹരണമായിട്ട് ശനി വളരെ മോശമായിട്ടുള്ള ഒരു ഗ്രഹമായിട്ടാണ് പൊതുവെ എല്ലാവരുടെയും ധാരണ. എന്നാൽ ശനി ജാതകത്തിൽ ബലവാനായിട്ട് നിൽക്കുകയും ശനി ഭാഗ്യാധിപനായിട്ട് നിൽക്കുകയും ഒക്കെ ചെയ്യുന്ന സമയത്ത് ശനി റിട്രോഗേറ്റ് ചെയ്യുന്ന സന്ദർഭം, അതായത് ഇപ്പോൾ നടക്കുന്ന സന്ദർഭത്തിൽ ഇപ്പോൾ ഈ അടുത്ത് പലർക്കും കോടിക്കണക്കിന് രൂപയുടെ ഭാഗ്യലബ്ധി ഉണ്ടാകാറുണ്ട്. എന്തുകൊണ്ടെന്ന് വെച്ചാൽ ശനി ജാതകത്തിൽ ശനി ബലവാനായിട്ട് അഷ്ടവർഗ ബിന്ദുക്കൾ ധാരാളമായിട്ട് നിൽക്കുകയാണെങ്കിൽ ആ വ്യക്തിക്ക് ശനിയുടെ ദശ വരികയോ ഭുക്തി വരികയോ ചെയ്താൽ പ്രതീക്ഷിക്കാത്ത ധനം വന്നു ചേരും. അതിനാണ് ഭാഗ്യവാൻ എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. താങ്ക് യു വെരി മച്ച്. If you like my subject, please subscribe it and bell button switch on. I'll come tomorrow with other subject.